What's up YouTube? If you found your way here, you probably got lost looking for JB's channel, so go over there and give him a follow and a subscribe, or be super generous and follow our video. Today we are doing some winter riding from 2017, and myself and Jen were freezing our tits off. I was trying Scarecrows and Jen had just learned to hit the boxing switch, so loads and loads of splashing, loads of cold hands, but a really good time. Thankfully today the sun is out, so we no longer have to put it with that pain. But anyway, give us a like and a follow and watch this film.
Seems to stumble. Will I see the dawn with no one there? Every second's a lifetime. Every step is a mile. Every heart beats a lifeline when it comes. Every moment's forever.
Yeah! Ha 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 ha!